Hi guys, welcome back to the shop. Hey, today I'm going to get back on the Yamaha DT2-MX. I've got some welding I've got to do to repair a side case. So let me get you over there and I'll show you what I'm going to do and then we'll go through it. Okay, this is what I've got to repair. It's the only one that I see that's broken, and it doesn't look like it's a big thing. This case here goes on about like that. So you can see it's just got to be built up just a little bit and then drilled and retapped. So it's not a big thing, it's just takes some time is all. So the first thing we've got to do is to clean this up a little bit. I've sandblasted this, but I want to come in here with a rotary file and get some virgin material there to weld to, and then we'll start building this up. And I've got the two cases bolted together to try to keep the warpage down. There shouldn't be too much, but if I can do it, I'm not going to take the chance. So I've got the cases here, so I just screw them together, and that should eliminate most of that. So I'll go ahead and clean this up, then clean everything good with acetone, and then we'll see if we can get some weld in there. Dig in here a little bit so I can fill this hole. Pretty well prepped here. I think I'm just going to heat it up a little, do a little preheat before I get going, and make sure I got everything here that I need. Heats up pretty fast. Get my gloves on. Aluminum gets pretty warm. And it is a little bit more than just a little job. I think we've got enough weld on there. If I don't, then I'll have to come back after I trim it down. But I think I've got enough to looks pretty high there, so I think I do. If I need some more, I'll do it, but a lot of that will come off of. Little tip on grinding aluminum: spray a little WD-40 on your rotary file. Kind of makes a mess when you first start, but after that, sure helps keep it from loading up. You can see we're getting that down pretty good now. Okay, it's roughly down. I think I am going to have to put just a little more weld over here on this side. This thing does fit and everything, but I think I'm just going to have a little bit more over there before I come up and mill the end of this off, mill it square, and then we'll drill it. So I think I'll just add a little bit to it, and then we'll take it over to the mill. Okay, you might have noticed I was having a little trouble with my welder. Well, I didn't hook the ground up to the case itself. I was letting it ground through the steel plate I had on the table. That's why I was having trouble. This time when I built this last piece up, I connected it straight to the case and had no problem at all. Just having a little trouble getting it started was all. Should be good now. I'm just going to hit this a little bit at a time and then check the case and see where we're at. I better check it and make sure that I don't want to take too much off. But, you know, I might with that kind of a round top. No, I think we got plenty to go yet. All right. Yeah, it's jacked up quite a bit. So I think we're all right. Try some more. Take another peek. Well, we can still go some. That's good. I'd rather mill some off. That way I can get down to a larger diameter. You know, it's kind of tapers up as you weld up. Still need to take a little. Getting close. Still need to take a little off. Yep, still a little. Just a little more. Yeah, I like that. Just right. Okay, we've got a little bit more to trim off, and then we'll get in there and sand it and get the, try to get it looking almost original again, and then we'll tap it, drill it and tap it. So I think we're good there. All right. I think I'm pretty well centered up on my hole here. Looks about right. So I'm going to go ahead and try to drill it. Actually, I think I need to move over a little bit. things get to spinning, they look a little different. I'm going to call that good. Go ahead and pull that cover off now so I can see what I'm doing. It's a number 9 drill bit for a 6mm one. Okay, got her down there. What I did was I took a drill bit that'd go into all these other 3 because they're all the same screw, and just drilled it to the same height or depth. So that should be good. And now I'll get a tap and we'll get set up to tap that hole. All right, I'm gonna start this up and start it, but I'm not going to power tap it. I'm just going to, this will get it going straight, hopefully. And it's slipping here, so that's what I want. All right, got the tap handle on, and I put a little pressure here. Let me get a little lube, little tap magic. I think we're to the bottom. Now I'll take this one out and get a bottom tap to finish the job. Okay, should be it. Okay, looks like we can get this off of here. Looks nice. Let me get you over here on the bench and we'll take a look at it. All right, there we have it. Everything's bolted down and looks about right. Oops. Pretty happy with it. First time the chain comes off, it'll be right back to where it was probably. But at least we're starting off with a repaired case. A little porosity right there, right at the bottom where I was starting. But we married into the web really good and got our height right. There we go. Okay guys, there you have it. We got our case repaired. Not too bad a job. I don't know, probably got 2 hours in it. But you know, it's the things, probably most of those bikes running around, if they're, you know, however many are still running around, have got that broken off already. The other one that I got, it's just like it. So I think it was just a common problem. But, you know, like I say, at least we're starting out with everything fresh and repaired. So the next time you see this, I think we'll be starting the assembly. So hey, thanks for going along on the ride, and we'll see you next video.